Meaning of Graham Greene.
Graham Greene.
Graham Greene.
Graham Greene.
Graham Greene. Graham Greene was an English novelist and author who is considered one of the greatest writers of the 20th century. Known for his novels that explore moral and political issues, Greene's works often delve into themes of sin, Catholicism, and espionage. Some of his most famous works include The Power and the Glory, The Quiet American, and Our Man in Havana. Despite facing controversy throughout his career, Greene's legacy lives on through his thought-provoking literature and his impact on modern literature as a whole.